So in this video, I'll be showing you how to turn on Adapt Sound on your Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. So Adapt Sound is simply a feature that gives you a sound tuned for your specific ear set. So all you need to do is simply open up the customization page for your Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. And then you want to scroll and select sound quality and effects. From here, tap on Adapt Sound, and then just tap on the toggle like so to enable it. Then you can choose what you want to adapt it for. So you have media, calls, and hearing enhancements for ambient sound. So it's up to you to deselect or select options that suit your preferences. Then tap on done to save the changes. Now you can choose a sound profile. So say for example, if you're under 30 years old, you can choose the 30 years old option. You can also tap on the settings icon to customize it, but again, ensure that you have the buds in your ears. You can choose your sound profile from 30 to 60 years old, over 60-year-old, or you can even tap on add personalized sound profile, and then tap on start and create your own version that suits you. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.